up everyone, it's Cassie from Jeep Gear and Gadgets, and tonight I'm going to talk to you about the Factor-55 Ultra Hook. We're going to be installing a rope guard on it. Now it's not for the JK or the LJ. A friend of ours is out of town and we're installing it on his Jeep who lives up the road, and so we're just kind of taking a look at it while we have it. Now we might consider eventually getting this for the JK. I don't think it would look good on the LJ. I think it would look too big. Maybe I'll have to put it up and like compare it later, but we might put this on the JK and then put the flat link on the LJ. I mean, you can just see here from the size difference that the Ultra Hook is a lot bigger, and I just don't think it would look as good as the flat link on the smaller frame of the LJ compared to the JK, but we'll have to see. Alright, so there are a lot of different reasons why the Ultra Hook is more beneficial to the flat link, but I'm not going to get into that right now. I want to talk to you about the rope guard. So what the rope guard does is it connects onto your onto the flat link, and while it's on the bumper, it protects your line from pretty much all the elements, from the weather, from the sun, from rocks that can rub up against it, and it only protects it right here. But I think it's really beneficial to have, especially because we all know how much money we spend on our Jeeps. So a rope guard, I think, is a pretty good investment. All right, so to install the rope guard, you're first going to pull off all 4 of these bumper guards. Now it'd be helpful if I had fingernails, but cut them all off yesterday, so that kind of sucks. So I have the rope guard and the rivets out of the package, and the rope guard just slides right into place. Just falls right in. If you can't get that, well then I cannot help you. You can take your rivets out of the bag. There are 5 of them. And you are going to just set them into place. You're going to make sure all the rivets are pushed in hand tight. I just set them in earlier, but now you really want to make sure that they're in there. You're going to take a 1/4 inch punch and a hammer, and you're going to give them a couple taps each to start out with. Now that we got all of them set and started, we're going to go around and finish them up one by one. Alright, see, it's so easy, a girl could do it. All that's left to do now is to put the rubber bump guards back on the back side. Right there, they just snap back on. Alright guys, so you can order these already with the rope guard on them, but it costs you $35 more. So don't do it, it's easy, I can do it, you can do it, don't spend the extra money. Alright guys, so that's it. The rope guard is on the Ultra Hook. I might consider getting one of these in the future. We'll see what happens, but I'm not going to get into how you put it on the winch line or anything. But what I am going to talk to you about is how excited we are because we have a box over here. Obviously, it says bed rug on it, so that's an upcoming project for the LJ. We only got the front, but we're going to show you how to install it, all that fun stuff, because I got a lot of comments on my last video about how trashy the floorboard looked. So if you go back and watch the door strap video, you can see how disgusting the floor looks. So we're really excited about that. We also have some more boxes over here with more projects coming up, but I'm not going to give you any hints on those yet. As always, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and my name is Cassie, and keep Jeeping classy.